shove it to, I think I need to lift it one more time. Maybe 2. Okay, I think it's good. I'm turning the this handle left slightly. Now this part is done. Now I'll go, oh shit, the pin is actually, let me move the pin. I think pin should be probably from this side. It's better. Yeah, I did the pin from this side, because when you do it from this side, the chain just pulls it down. Okay, let me show you the how to do the jack. This bar right here I'm holding, it has little notches, and so this is, I want it as high as possible, so I'm gonna do the last notch. But in order to do this, there's a handle right here, needs to be pushed down. After that, there's a pinhole right here, this one. Don't put it from this side, because when you do it, chain pulls it down. Instead, do it from the other side. Yeah, that way it's kind of secure. Now let's put it in here. Okay, it looks like the wheel is free now. I think it's here better. It's a larger area than this area that has a skinnier frame. I don't want stand jack to slip. Yeah, the rest of it, it's pretty much skinny. Yeah, that's the I think this is the best area to put. Yep. Okay, now let's gently release. I'm gonna this time make it really slowly. All right, I think it's good. Yeah, not bad.